The legends of our lifetime, accomplishing the unbelievable, taking risks and rising to challenges. The pinnacles of success who have accomplished so much. The elite few who have shaped our modern world. What is it that lets them soar high? Daily habits, habits that set them up for success, habits that make them inspirational leaders. What if there was a place where you could actively learn the same habits? What if there was a way to instill those habits into yourself, allowing you to achieve your own legendary life? Well, now there is. Tips by Virtunus is an app that helps you create successful habits and effortlessly adopt positive behavior. Now you too can find your own greatness. Get actionable tips and hacks and easy-to-follow instructions from experts around the world. We'll help you stay accountable when you're forming your habits to success. Follow in the footsteps of legends. Enroll at tips.virtunus.com today.